When negotiating a real estate purchase agreement, you want to make sure that you have an attorney review and draft the contract. This is particularly important when you're purchasing commercial property. Generally, on a real estate transaction, you'll have form contracts, and most of those provide that an attorney can review the contract after it's been signed and make modifications. And if the parties are unable to agree on those modifications, then either side has the right to cancel the contract. However, that's not particularly the situation when you're dealing with commercial contracts. And so this is why it's extremely important to have all aspects of the contract reviewed and negotiated by an attorney early on. A few clauses you want to make sure that you have in your contract is a financing contingency, an inspection contingency, which will allow you to inspect the condition of the property, and finally a due diligence contingency. And it generally allows the buyer to terminate for any reason at all if, based on their due diligence, they determine that they no longer want to proceed with the contract. You want to make sure you mark down the deadlines for each one of these contingencies. It's very important that you adhere to the terms of the contract that everyone has agreed upon. So it's important to have your attorney engaged in all aspects of the transaction.